Every time you want light, do you try to figure out how to create a light bulb or how to create a match to get you the light you're looking for? Of course not. All you do is flip a switch and the light turns on. It's very similar to our map to your success. Our metabolism accelerator system has been laid out step by step in a process for you to see the results you're looking for. If you're a busy mom, our clients average 8 pounds lost in the first week alone. Most 6-week programs don't offer that. Most 6-week programs that are good don't offer that. We've got a great program, and all you have to do is follow the step-by-step process. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. All you have to do is follow along, and you'll see results.